Now we are going to discuss about control statements in Python. How do you write a decision making control statements? So we have a if else control statements. So let me write a syntax for writing the if else. So we have to write if the condition. If the condition is a true, we have to put all the true statements here. And else, if the condition is not true, the false statements here. This is a simple if and else. Like if you want to write multiple if condition, if multiple condition, we have to put else if we will be writing in some other technology, but here in Python, in other technology like Perl and all, we will be using ELS if, but in Python simply elif and all, just elif and another condition. Then condition statement. Like another elif, I can write any number of elif. There is no limitation, like only particular number of elif can be written. It can be anything. Like all I can write. So this is the way how do you write the if else in Python programming. Let me show with some examples. So let's say I'm asking user to enter the age, like through the input of enter your age. See, the input function is already discussed in our channel. With the input and output function, you can view that like if you are new to this input function. And I'm assigning to the variable called age. Now I'm just checking with if else condition, saying if age is greater than 18, then I'm just printing as you can vote. Like else, if age is less than 18, I can say print you are a kid or you are a not kid, you are a children, or you cannot vote, or simply I can write you cannot vote. So I'm going to get the input age from the user. If the age is greater than 18, I'm saying that you can vote, or else I say that you cannot vote. So enter the age. Let's say give the age as 10. I'm saying I'm getting you cannot vote. Let's rerun this. Give age as something like 20. It says you can vote. So first it will check the condition. If the condition is true, it will be executing that block statements. If the condition is not true, it will be executing with the else statement. That is a simple if and else. Like if I want to write multiple else condition, the same code I'll just copy and paste. You can vote, or I will get the different way. Say enter your salary, let's say, or enter your experience. The experience is somebody says 0, then I say you are a fresher. And I'm writing elif, it's not a age, it is experience now. If experience is less than 5, then I'm saying that you are a junior developer. Then other condition, I'm saying that if experience is less than 10, I'm saying that you are a lead. But when I say less than 10, it will, if it is greater than 5 and less than 10, it will come here, because less than 5 will falls under this category. It will say as a junior, right? So I can write one more elif experience is greater than 10. I can put both conditions, greater than 10, and I can say experience is less than 20. You can say you are a experienced and be a manager, and you can be a manager or architect, different role, right? And a manager. Now else, if anything else, like they give to above 20 plus, I can write you are more than 20 years of you are more than 20 years of experience. Now let's run this program and we'll see what are we getting it, right? So if I run this program, I'll put less than equal to, because including 20 I want to give this. Above 20 I'm writing these messages. Let's run this. Let's say my experience 0, like writing like this. It say you are a fresher. Now I'll put experience as 3, anything less than 5. It says you are a junior developer. Let's run this. Now I say experience is something like 9 or 10, because 10 is not included here. I can put like this. Later I'll put. So let's say experience is 9 and it say you are a lead. So including 10, I want to give here 10 and above and less than 20 and below. So I'm saying that 10. It say you are a experienced and can be a manager. And let's rerun. I can put 20 and you are experienced and a manager. Same thing, because I'm including 10 and 20 in the same condition. Anything that I'm giving above 20, let's say 21 and above, it say you are experienced and manager. What is the issue with this? Like this I'll put. Let's say 21. See, above 20 I'm getting you are holding more than 20 years of experience. So because this condition looks for 10 and 20, between 10 and 20, and above 20 I'm getting these messages. This is how that we will be writing the if else statement in Python programming. Okay guys, thanks for watching this video. And if you like this video, like you want to get more update, I request you to subscribe the channel. So we are keep uploading the videos for all the topics one by one, so you'll be getting the notification if you are subscribing it. Okay, thank you.